We're going to run through 50 Jewish phrases from A to Z. Aliyah. It literally means to be elevated. When someone's called up to read from the Torah, they're given an aliyah. They're elevated to the podium to read from the Torah. Aron. This is the ark where the Torah is housed in the synagogue. Baruch Hashem. Baruch means blessed or thanks. Hashem is another name for God. Thank God. When you ask a Jew how they're doing, they'll say, Baruch Hashem. Beit Knesset. That's the Hebrew term for synagogue. Beit means home. Knesset means to congregate. This is where Jews congregate to serve God.
For the case of the Shnei Shvilim, we had a Shver Rambam.
Beit Midrash.
Beit Midrash or Beit Midrash. This is a place where Jews come together to learn Torah.
Rabbi, what did the Shver Rambam say?
Bentching. No, this does not mean to sit down on a bench, although you might be sitting down when you make this blessing. This is the blessing that's made after a meal, which includes bread, and that's the Yiddish word for this blessing, benching. In Hebrew, we call it Birkat Hamazon, the blessing, Birkat Hamazon, over our meal. Boker Tov. Boker, morning, Tov, good. Have a good morning. Chag Sameach. Chag, holiday, Sameach, happy. Happy holiday, Chag Sameach. Chazan. It's the Hebrew name for cantor who leads the services in the synagogue with the most beautiful voice.
Adon Olam, Hashem Malach, B'terem kol Yetzir Nivra.
Chumash. That comes from the root chamesh, which means 5. These are the 5 books of the Torah. Chumash, or otherwise pronounced Chumash. Chumrah, a stringency in Jewish law. Davening, the Yiddish word for prayer, as in, did you daven yet? Did you pray yet? Davar Torah, last but not least, a word, davar, of Torah knowledge, Torah. That's what you've been listening to today. I hope that you've enjoyed it.
On whether or not it's even a deoraita or a mitzvah, since we're